Hi guys, Jack Scarf here. Hope you are having a good week. And firstly, in light of the coronavirus, hope you're all well. And if you are suffering, I hope you get back to full health as soon as possible. A friend of mine's asked me to do a video on mortgage repayment holidays. First thing to mention would be what one is. So a mortgage repayment holiday would be where you would miss a month's mortgage payment, which will then be extended and normally put on the end of your mortgage. So it would be, let's say March, everything's going well, you make your mortgage payment. April, you mutually agree with the lender that you're with that you don't make a payment at the end of that month, so no mortgage payment at all. And in May, you would go back to making your monthly mortgage payments. April would be the mortgage repayment holiday, where your payment has taken a holiday. Why would you need something like this? Well, at the moment, a lot of people are going to be off work for 2 to 4 weeks, if not more, or working from home. Pay may be deteriorating or not being paid at all, especially if you're not getting sick pay from your employer as well. So that might be a reason why you would want to take one. Another one would be Christmas time is a fairly common one. I'm not saying that everyone does it, of course, but I think lenders are a little bit more receptive at that time of year that other bills come into play as well that aren't there for the rest of the year. Who would be eligible for a mortgage repayment holiday? Well, in the mortgage illustration that your broker should have given to you, the bank, if you went direct to the bank, in section 9 it should tell you, certainly around section 9 depending on who the lender is, whether you're eligible for it or not and whether it's something that they will entertain. Now, most lenders on most mortgages will offer a mortgage repayment holiday, but generally it's for people that have already made an overpayment on their mortgage, so that they've got a little bit of cash surplus that the lender's happy with, so they'll let them take them. But at the moment, some of the biggest banks, TSB, Royal Bank of Scotland, which for a lot of people will mean NatWest as well, because they're in the Royal Bank of Scotland group, have already allowed mortgage repayments to be holidayed for a month at least. And it's an ongoing process, so I'm sure you'll hear more in the news about it. Don't know the situation with landlords, all I can really tell you is about mortgages, but a lot of the lenders are saying that it's definitely something that they are entertaining. The main thing to take away from this would be, yes, you can speak to your broker, yes, you can listen to my video. Please speak to whoever your mortgage lender is and check with them that they're happy for you to do it, because they might not. And under whatever circumstances, when you take the mortgage out, you know, whatever happens, you've got to make those payments. So unless they specifically say that you can take your mortgage repayment holiday, I would suggest making those payments. The downside of it is, because it sounds great, taking a mortgage repayment and not paying it for a month, that will be extended. So your mortgage generally, everything will stay the same, but you'll add a month onto your mortgage. And while you've not made that payment, of course, you're going to be charged interest because it's still your mortgage balance in theory. So short-term measure, absolutely not a long-term solution, but it's becoming more and more prevalent with coronavirus that the bigger lenders are looking to help you guys. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, and all the best. Cheers.